Guys, today I'm gonna be making a video on how to get all of the markers.
Yeah.
And yes, this is one by one. This is all the markers I think I found. I don't know if there's gonna be more. So firstly, you gotta collect this one. But just wait, my volume is getting very bad. Marker no marker badge. Then just go. Get marker. I'm gonna change it since I already got that. Let's go to the next one. So you have to click this. You will get. Oh wait a minute. You have to get the other marker, which you will have to get specific here. Well, since I already got it, gonna drop. You have to also do the same thing. Why am I hearing alien sounds? Sorry, there's another one which I forgot where the frick I put it. So I just have to since I got the alien marker, but you have to go here to the UP stuff. Just go here. Oh wait, no, that was incorrect. I just gotta do the same thing. Cause I literally accidentally broke. What the? Okay, never mind. Do the same. I think it was in here, but I don't know where the frick I put it. You can find it somewhere. Give it up. No! I gotta go up. I think you will find the marker here, but I think none here. Have zero markers, so don't worry. You will have to, I think, jump down. I think it's safe. Yep, and this is how you get this marker. But you have to go now that I have that marker, I can just go back here. So here's how to get another marker. So we gotta go to the Mount Ever marker. Next, we have to go here. You have to do this very cool transparent thing. Now you will get the van marker. And as you can see, kinda easy to get them. But we don't know how to get the other marker. The marker that's literally so small you can't even see. The dream marker. So we have the dream marker. Yeah. And that marker is gonna be stuck. As you can see, you will have to go down. You will see the circle. one that comes from what the? Oh, I think you can find a marker. Wait, what? Well, squares marker. I think this is gonna be the worst. The rules. No way. I'm gonna try and get it. I think it's when you have to go up here. Up here. You have to go up here. You have to click that marker. You have to reset your avatar. Just kidding. You just have to fall down. You will have to get it again. Boom. Yeah, that marker stopped. Let's go up here. Go here. This marker. But we don't know how to get the other marker. It's literally freaking stuck. Stuck. Okay. Did I get her? Of course not. But I'm gonna tell to my friend. She actually made this game. Yes, her name's Stella. What the? Why are you getting bigger? Oh, I just made him glitch. Thank you, because now you can't bother me. What marker is this anyway? I think that's the end of the other markers. Oh, hello there. Marker that's glitching. So that I'm editing. Okay. I have to do the same thing. Okay, bye-bye. Crystal marker. How the frick did you just... Oh great. Crystal marker, why the... Crystal marker, get up. Okay, grab. Finally. Now I have a marker. So you can get this same marker. And you have to find this marker. You have to find the fish. Except I made all of them. Next marker still has to be there. Over here. Okay, you have to go to the factory. There's another one. Get pranked. Oh, frick. Get up here because they will. Spam up here. Oh, get your heart, but it's fine. I can do this. Frank also. Bye-bye. Pada Frank off. You have to jump very high. Up here. Okay, that's it for the other ones, which I think I found. I didn't realize that there was another marker, but I can collect it. Where did the recording go? Am I even recording? Go. Oh no. Is it okay now?